A company can score high on ESG and still be accumulating risk. Many organizations invest heavily in ESG assurance, verified reports, external ratings, aligned frameworks. These add value, but there is a critical assumption that strong reporting reflects strong operation. That assumption is incomplete because assurance validates what is reported, not what is happening. A facility may meet disclosure requirements while underlying systems degrade. Emissions targets may be tracked while flex systems experience recurring faults. Water commitments may be documented while treatment capacity remains unreliable. Safety metrics may appear strong while maintenance backlog increase. The data is not necessarily wrong, it may simply be incomplete. And this is where the real risk develops. At the same time, reporting improves, dashboards become clearer, narratives become stronger, but operating conditions may not improve at the same rate. What is often overlooked is the interaction between governance and operations. When organizations reward reported performance more than actual system health, efforts shift towards presentation, and this creates a disconnect between what is shown and what is happening. This is how exposure builds quietly. Containment barriers weaken, utilities struggle under abnormal conditions, environmental controls lose reliability until one event occurs: an environmental release, worker harm, forced shutdown, regulatory intervention. And in that moment, years of reported performance can be lost. The real control is operational assurance, not just reporting assurance. This means field verification of critical systems, independent testing of emergency response capability, clear visibility of maintenance backlogs, tracking exposure at workers level, assessing climate resilience of key assets, board-level reporting on barrier health, not just metrics. This connects ESG intent to actual system performance. Strong ESG is not what is written, it is what the system does under stress. If you want to continue getting deeper insights into engineering systems, HSE, and operational risk, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.